Why does an accident reduce your car's value even after repairs? Imagine you've just been in a car accident. You think once the repairs are done, your car is back to normal. But here's a question. Why is it still worth less than before? You might be surprised to learn that even after fixing the damage, your car's value can stay lower. This is because of something called diminished value. When a car has been in an accident, it leaves a mark on its history. Even if the repairs are perfect and the car looks brand new, buyers and dealers see that history. They know the car has been in a crash, and that makes them worry about hidden issues or future problems. This worry makes them less willing to pay full price. Another reason is that accident reports are stored in databases that buyers and dealers can access. When they see the car's accident history, they might think there could be unseen damage, like frame alignment issues or weakened structural parts. This perception of risk causes the car's market value to drop. Also, some damage, especially structural damage, might not be fully repairable to original factory standards. Even high-quality repairs can leave subtle signs. For example, a frame might be slightly misaligned, or a panel might have been replaced and not perfectly matched. These small signs can affect how the car drives or looks, which impacts its worth. Insurance companies understand this loss in value. That's why they offer diminished value claims. If you've been in an accident, you can file a claim against the at-fault driver's insurance. To do this, you usually need an appraisal from a qualified expert showing how much your car's value has decreased after repairs. Insurance companies often use formulas like the 17 degrees Celsius diminished value formula. This helps them estimate how much your car is worth now compared to before the accident. They consider the car's original market value, the severity of the damage, and a cap on the amount they will pay. In simple terms, even if your car looks perfect after repairs, the fact that it has an accident history makes it less appealing to buyers. This lower appeal is what causes the drop in value. Managing your insurance policy and filing a diminished value claim can help you get compensated for this loss. It's a way to ensure you're not left with a car that's worth less than what you paid for it, just because it was in an accident.